Yeah, I'm like, whatever.
Yeah, and then you just talk and then it's good. Someone's gonna turn that into a joke.
Hey, it's Josephine from the Pointe Shop. 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 And today I fitted Miko Fogarty. I fitted Michael today. I fitted a dancer named Smack. I got to fit Megan. I had the most magical fitting today. I got to fit my best friend. I love fitting sisters. Today I fitted Alexa Wu. Woohoo! That was so lame. Let's cut that.
I loved it.
Sorry.
That's staying in, isn't it? Yeah, that's staying in. This was a Bailey, and I'm gonna try them out for you because I love you. Why would I do this? This is like a fake point shoe. Upper body's just like an octopus.
I love that.
She has no bones in her body.
All right, so do you want to just walk her through the basic with counts?
Yes. Am I doing it? Natural.
Natural.
Act natural.
Act natural.
No.
My ankles look ridiculous. So we're gonna do fondue. And then please.
And rise.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Then grand plie.
Sorry.
Okay.
Or a little bit more professional so you know what all your points are.
I just hit myself with the back of the blade. It's fine, I'll just die now. This is a weapon. Do I look like a criminal to you? No. I'm just a jet skater.
Okay, calm down.
That's a lot of booty. Wow. Wow. That's really out there. They're just tutus and thongs is the new look.
Shove it in. We can do it.
So tan pipes is not even your color. I don't actually know whose color that is. It's not mine either. Okay, bring your left foot up on point. Wow, beautiful roll through, and then step up onto both feet. So nothing twists on you. Are you getting this? Are you seeing this right now? This is insane. Who's better at turns?
We're cool. Okay.
Home is 5th position.
Home is 3rd position.
Home is 3rd
Home is 3rd position and a really open 4th.
I've never undressed a woman before, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing.
He probably undresses women all the time. This is
Oh no.
Little tiny girl trying to pinch it.
I'm ready for some French fries, you know what I mean?
Oh gosh, what a mood.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. This is so good. I love this. I'm so happy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. That all helps us out. If you would like to support us, you can go on our website and get some of our merch. We have a discount code especially for you guys, for our YouTube followers. And if you would like a virtual fitting, I have that link on that description box. And then you can sign up for an appointment there. If you have any questions, leave that on the comments, and I will see you guys later.